Mascot puppets? At the beginning of the pandemic, I was contacted by Damon College to create a puppet of their mascot. This is Willie the Wildcat. They decided that a puppet would be a great tool for them to have for branding for their social media and many other special events. A lot of schools have a mascot character that's like a walk-around costume, which is great for like sporting events and things like that. However, a puppet can be a lot more alive than a mascot character can. You wouldn't be doing a Zoom call or video conference with a walk-around costume. It has no moving mouth. It would just kind of be standing there. But with a puppet, you can really bring it to life. And it seems a lot more like a living, breathing character. The different types of things you can do with a mascot puppet is limitless. Specifically, Damon College has done an amazing job integrating this character that I made into their social media branding. They've done some really creative stuff. Here are just a few examples. And to see more about what they do in the future, make sure to throw them a follow. This was a really fun build, and one thing that made it so fun was having such amazing sketches to work from. I was sent what's called in the animation world a full turnaround. That shows the character from many different angles. This was a very handy tool. And you're gonna see that entire building process right now. am so happy with how this all came together. And I can't stress it enough, having such amazing reference material made this a breeze and really fun to do. If you've been following this channel for a while, you might recognize that drawing style. The Willy puppet was designed by Cameron Garrity. Luckily, I've had a lot of experience taking Cameron's designs and putting them into 3D. But if there's any other colleges out there or businesses that are interested in getting a puppet version of their mascot, just send me a message. The best way to contact me is on social media, or you can make an inquiry on my website. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this build and maybe you learned something too. If you enjoy the content on this channel, make sure to throw me a follow and come along for the ride. Anyway, I'll see you all next time.